September 8th, 2014, and I've been just watching CTFXC all morning and eating pizza and looking up ways to make my Elsa cosplay without it costing me so much money and making it more original. It's gonna roughly cost me about 50 bucks, so that sucks because I'm poor, right? I've always wanted to be a stormtrooper, but those costumes are ridiculously expensive. Boom, boom, ch. Boom, 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 ch. Slow down. Grab the wall. Well, you're gonna make your ass fall off. Kiss pedal. Kiss pedal. Kiss pedal. Ratata. 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 You're a good boy. Ratata. He's so pissed. He's so pissed off. I owe you food now. Seeing if we can bring the dog in because my mom brought Derby. I'm gonna see if I can find my Elsa dress.
In the bag? I wanted to just go to bed and bring